Hi, this is Pavel, and today I'll tell you about IC Connect, an all-in-one software platform from iSMA CONTROLLI. Let's go! We created IC Connect to enhance user experience while using iSMA CONTROLLI products. In one simple but powerful platform, we integrated our product database and all software solutions. Let's connect to IC Connect and see what it is all about. IC Connect is a Windows platform that allows you to find all product information in one place without having to search through multiple sources. Thanks to intuitive design, the application is very easy to use. The main screen allows you to access search function, drop-down menu that includes all product information, link to iSMA CONTROLLI website and our IC docs, notification center, user menu with settings and logout option, and the main view with all favorite software and products, as well as all installed and available software. The main feature added to the first version of IC Connect is the software manager. On the platform you can find all the software needed to configure, commission, and install any program for any IC device. Access to each software is organized and available from any product page or directly from the main view. Installation of each software is seamless. It can be done from the main view. Just click the install button available for each software, and within seconds the application can be opened directly from the IC Connect. Let's try it. Install. You can see it's been installed successfully. And from that place I can seamlessly open the downloaded iSMA configurator. If you use the app frequently, you can click the heart button to always see the application on the top of the list. If you're looking for the right software for your product, you can simply use the search function and enter the product code, for example, MIX38, our multi-protocol I/O module. And going through the main view, we can find the right product here, and we can access the available software, which is the iSMA configurator and the IC Leap. We can do that also from the drop-down menu available on the left. Going to the I/O modules and the multi-protocol I/O, we can read about each solution, and we can see all products in the category as well as the supporting software. So from that view we can also access the MIX38 software. We can see the product information and access the available software right there. IC Connect will keep you always updated. Whenever there is a new update available, you will see an update button next to the product right here. You can also access our notification center and see all the latest notifications. If we go to the settings page, we can simply set up the application settings. If you want to be updated always, you can select the right application which you want to be always updated. You can also select the language version of the software. Right now we support English, Italian, and Polish. If you go to the notification, we can allow for the notification information for the application updates. In the design section, you can select the color theme for your app. So you can select from the dark mode, I prefer to use, or you can select the light mode, which is the default one. And this is IC Connect. It is available right now from our website. The link you can find right here, and more information you can find right here. Stay tuned for more updates.